Power truck. Diggers or trackhoes are heavy construction equipment consisting of a boom, dipper or stick, bucket, and cab on a rotating platform known as a dump truck, known also as a dumping truck, dump trailer, dumper trailer, dump lorry or dumper lorry, or a dumper for short, is used for transporting materials such as dirt, gravel, or demolition waste for construction, as well as coal. A forklift, also called lift truck, jitney, high-low, fork truck, fork hoist, and forklift truck, is a powered industrial truck used to lift and move materials over short distances. A crane is a type of machine, generally equipped with a hoist, rope, wire ropes or chains, and sheaves, that can be used both to lift and lower materials and to move them horizontally. A concrete mixer, often colloquially called a cement mixer, is a device that homogeneously combines cement, aggregates, such as sand or gravel, and water to form concrete. Cattle truck. Livestock transportation is the movement of livestock by road, rail, ship, or air. Power truck. Diggers or trackhoes are heavy construction equipment consisting of a boom, dipper or stick, bucket, and cab on a rotating platform known as the house. A paver. Road paver finisher, asphalt finisher. Road paving machine is a piece of construction equipment used to lay asphalt concrete or Portland cement concrete on roads, bridges, parking lots, and other such places.